Loki Ajah environ is accessible to major business districts, malls, social structures, and public space, and it has potential for high return of investment. So if you're looking to invest in a good location that will give you comfort, security, and accessibility, then Adesoya should be your number one choice location. Civic Residence is located inside Atlantic Nominee Layout, Adesoya. This property shares proximity with amazing infrastructures. Number one thing I love about this property is that it's in a built-up neighborhood with security and accessibility. As we all know, property in a built-up neighborhood is on the high demand. We have bungalows and land selling in this estate. We have 2-bedroom fully detached bungalow plus BQ selling for 50 million naira outright payment. We also have 3-bedroom fully detached bungalow plus BQ selling for 62 million naira, and we have the deluxe, which is 4-bedroom fully detached bungalow plus BQ and penthouse selling for 80 million naira. We also have land selling in this estate. We have 300 square meters selling for 34.2 million naira all inclusive. We also have 500 square meters selling for 57 million naira all inclusive. Here is the catch. With an initial deposit of 10 million naira, you will get to spread the balance for the next 3 months with 0% interest. The title of this property is Government Allocation CFO, so it is free from all government acquisition. If you are looking for a holiday home, an affordable retirement home, you should definitely buy Civic Residence. Note, some important infrastructures that will be in this eco-friendly living is 24 hours light and water and exclusive home service care for the elderly. Now is the best time to lock in Civic Residence. For further information and private viewing, kindly send me a direct message via the number displayed on the screen.